How do you think that I don't
Girls
have
are supporting in financial conditions also.
Girls have the more power. Girls has the more power. They can divorce any time, any point of
Girls
time.
have a responsibility.
I think
Ma'am,
Why not? Other than
I
household
think
works also.
most of the
Ma'am,
5-star hotels
this is
have
the
the chef as a
responsibility
male.
of
family backbone, so they can work in many places because of family, because of husband's family. Okay, so in some cases girls
talking
about
if I
99%
talk
women.
about report,
We are talking
in
1%
last
of the boys.
in last 2 or 3 years, the divorce do everything, job, household, everything. Then
So, good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
We are here gathered together today to discuss about is boys are better or girls are better. Like, what's your opinion about girls and what's our opinion about boys? Like, boys are better or not? So, shall we start?
Yes. Yeah, by all means.
So, as I prefer everyone every day and every aspect of my life that girls first. So, I started with girls. So, what's your opinion about that?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Nandini, and today I'm here to represent girls. Why the girls are more better than boys? So you know about the multitasking. Every girls have their own work, and they are good in multitasking. They can do many works at a one time. Like your mom's also doing in a breakfast. Like they started with their day, they're doing breakfast, they're making food with your for your father, for you, and they're also doing other things. So I think compared to boys, girls are multitasking. So
Okay,
it's
you are saying that girls are multitasking.
Yeah,
Like she
compared to
she
boys.
can do many
Many tasks at a time.
at a time.
Yeah.
So what are you like doing right now? Like are you doing part time or any other work?
Yeah,
Rather
at a
than
time
study?
at a time I study also. Together with I doing content writing and also doing video editing. So it's some my part-time jobs so that I can earn my
Like
expenses.
this is not like I think it is a like a sitting work. But
So
if
it
we
is
are
a multitasking work. Like you
if
can
we,
do also.
if we are like if we are talking about one of our colleague who is from the Nepal, he is doing
Okay.
here job as well, doing study as well, and he is also coming here as well, and he also searching for the other jobs to like give financial backup to their family, especially first.
Yes.
But if we are talking about the girl's opinion, they first think himself first, like herself first. Say invest money which they earn to himself or herself first, not their family.
Like you say that thing, girls are just focusing herself and they do for your matlab like for
Definitely,
they
there is no doubt.
like I also work sometime and I for like the money comes in my mother's account, not in my account, so they spend how they want.
Do you have
it.
account?
I have account, yes. How do you think that I don't have account?
No, if we think, my name is Deepa Chaudhary, as you know, and if we are talking, as you know that we are talking about that, matlab girls are better, as you saying that
Key? What's the
sorry,
key?
as you are saying that girls are not doing focusing on money and they are not are not supporting financial. So I think so that I strongly believe that girls are supporting in financial conditions also in our family, and they are also doing for their family, for their child, and they are still doing her job.
Okay.
They are doing her job, still they are supporting their family, and I strongly can say that also doing her workaholic course also, and they are doing job. They are
So,
very better in very
If they are that too much companion or that too much like supportive wives and
Yes.
female in their opinion, so
Yes.
why there is a large number of the divorce case increasing day by day, especially for the prominent leaders?
This is not the personal case about girls, and this is the mutual responsibility of the girls
Like,
and boys also, that they are doing all the thing. I think boys are not helping in the workaholic work, if in household works I can say, but they should support at least. That she is getting up at 6 o'clock and doing her job and still coming back and doing household works that is till 9 and 10 o'clock. It's a health issue also. So I didn't know that divorce is the topic that girls are not supporting the family, and it's only of depend on girls divorce case. It's not depend on girls.
Girls have the supremacy in like getting divorce. If there is any
It's
case,
the mentality that girls have the girls are doing multitasking work. It's only a mentality, but she is doing.
girls have the
if
more
boys-
power.
if
Girls has the more
girls
power. They
have
can
more power,
divorce
they-
any time, any point of time, whenever they wants to divorce.
No. How you can say that girls are taking
I am
divorce?
Jatin. If you know, there is no any rule regulation in our country to prevent the boy from any divorce case. You know, if girls only implement a application and give to the higher official to I want a divorce of because he harassed me and anything etc. They want, then there is no rule regulation to check the what is the ground
But,
reality. What is their ground
But
reality?
the 60% are the boys are in power. 60%.
Ma'am, girls have a responsibility.
I think-
Ma'am,
Why not?
Ma'am, girls have a responsibility of doing household works,
Yes.
but boys also have a responsibility to do house work other than household. We can say that company job.
Most of-
other than household
I think
works also.
most of the
Ma'am,
5-star hotels
this is
have the safe as a
responsibility of
male.
boy.
Most of the 5-star and 7-star hotels have the safe as a male.
Because it's her job. Not
That's
her
why-
household work.
That's why
It's her
we
job,
that's
they
why
are
we
doing for
say
financial
girls have a
support.
responsibility
If
to
they
do
don't
household
have
work.
if they don't have a family backbone, so they can work in many places. ये सर खराब हो रहा है. Okay, they can work in many places. I think in a divorce cases, girls mostly weak. Like
Ma'am, you know there is a case happened last time. There is a
because of family, because of husband's family. Okay, so in some cases, girls want to stand for herself.
No.
I want to say something like in many places, like girls don't have aware about. They just know that in my like I get married in this family. Then this is my family, and now I spend my whole life in this family. This is the girl thinking. They don't think about divorce. You say that like girls have a power. They can apply for divorce. Most of the girls not apply for divorce. In fact, they have abused by his husband, abused by his husband family. They don't filed a divorce. So
then what report say? According to if I talk according to report,
you
then
are
there
just
is
talking about a 1% woman. You are just talking about 1% women,
if
not
I
talking
talk
about
about
99%
if I talk
women.
about report.
We are talking
In
1%
last-
of the boys.
In last 2 or 3 years, the divorce case filed 60% of the case filed by the women.
Okay.
Why?
But it's about only when the
If-
women's
I
just
have
listen me.
a-
If the women's are doing all the things, okay,
Yeah.
you should. With the rules as the law starts, okay, as the law starts, the treatment like this, they're doing abusing, like the dowry system in our law change all the things, okay. But I think so. Okay, that strong. We can say this replace by the silent killing, silent thinking that which are going on in our families. As most of the girls are talking that they are abusing, they are facing the abusing, they are not taking the stand because of they are think about the childs. They are think about the families that okay, so they are think about their social or parents also.
Ma'am, you know.
Silent things are increasing and day by day, and like the mental
think they
harassment,
have
your
been
mental, you don't have
pressurized
mental peace,
by
you'll have lots of pressure in the
society.
families. This is not about that the all that beating and abusing. This thing is not because the girls are educating. That's why they are not.
They take the
They are not. नहीं वो सहन नहीं कर रही हैं. They are not bearing the wrong things. That's why the divorce case is increasing because the things are traditionally coming that we will do that the boys are the have the priority and the have the supremacy,
always think they are
supreme
supreme
power
power.
they have that if girls are coming in your family like a in-law, मतलब like a daughter-in-law, and their mentality have that she will do the work, that she will do this thing, and she will get the job and all these things. But why not they have the mentality that if we are she is daughter also, and if she is coming in your family, why not you are treating like a family member that she also have the health problems, you also have the mentally stress, you are coming in your office, you are coming back from your office, and you are still that you are laying. Okay, he is tired.
Okay.
But why not she is
But
tired?
if we
That is
talk-
the treatment. That is the treatment what she is facing at the home.
Ma'am, I understand what you want to say. You want to say that girls also have a very lots of pressure
Yes.
in household works.
Not household. They have also
They have
family
other
pressure
household.
outside
Everything
job
works.
pressure. Still, they are doing her household.
Men have also a big pressure on your in your mind because man controlling the all the things like family and socially and jobs like they have
Nowadays,
a big
girls
pressure.
also controlling this thing.
Girls are also doing households work, not a
How can you
socially
say
work.
that
No,
girls
they
are
are doing
doing?
social
They
work.
also
Ma'am,
do
nowadays
social
there is
work.
also a problem that if a girl do everything,
Okay.
job, household, everything,
Okay.
then girl become independent and they think this is only for myself.
No,
Yeah.
If girl become independent, it is
Man,
not for
it-
himself.
Girls are thinking
So,
they
She
are
is
doing
thinking about
things
your
About in family.
Yeah,
also.
you are saying that she is thinking about your like his family or yeah, so take a situation about that. If I give you 1 crore or 10 crore rupees, what will you manage or how
But
will
this
you
is
manage
wrong.
that?
I also think that
Like
this is wrong. Your family.
you suppose that you earn that 10 crore rupees. So how will you manage or how will you invest that money?
Why not we can?
But I can invest in
Like-
any places.
How will you use that? How will you use that?
Yes, we can use.
In what manner? Like
What manner we have, we can do business. We can in our child education and anything else where we need it.
that's the reason. Like if I get the rupees, I will firstly handle to my family. Then after
But-
then
we are
Excuse-
also handling our family.
you first say about that the business that the way of
If
income.
I start any business, then I can earn, na? And that the money.
If you get the counsel or if you get the advice of your family, it is bad or good? And
What?
It is bad.
it is bad.
Again,
Like
You want to take advice from your family, it is bad.
If you
Ma'am,
have mine,
where
then why are you
where
Yes, just okay.
like?
if you are getting advice of the others, taking advice is
I'm
good,
saying that
but
advice
not
of others,
implementing
not
the
advising
advice.
of family. I take advice from my family, not taking advice from others.
How we
So
can
I am saying the same thing. Why if you are taking advice from your family, it is good
So
or
it is
bad?
good, but you say that advice of others.
How we can say the other advice doesn't matter for us. If
So-
what we will are thinking about the family, we know the our family situations, not other anybody don't know.
You are saying that in the since history, women are more suppressed by the male society. If you talking about the history, many of the most prominent leader of the any of the court of or any of the like sabha of any king, there is a 80% of women are there.
Yeah.
Like
And
most
they have
of
a right.
like
At that
most
time
of
also
the
they have a right to
Anything
speak.
they are 1 step or 2 step ahead of us. Like they are able to do anything whatever they want.
Just tell me one thing: who gives the right that when men will decide that women will do or not?
What?
How you can say that man will decide that women can do or not?
So who is deciding? Who is deciding? Who is deciding?
Ma'am, you
Who
know
is
when
deciding?
if I talk about
We
the
have-
king system in our past.
We have patriarchy power.
Yes.
We have,
That's the mentality
that is
of-
the mind. We
that's the
have-
mentality of the
and
society.
Still also no.
There's the mentality of the
This is not
society.
mentality.
All the advisor of the court of the king have the 60 to 80% of the women who advise her, who advise him.
No, how you can say?
If you're talking about the Vijayanagara Empire, most prominent and the most glory kingdom of the history. They
And
have
there
the
is also a
80% of
women party.
As well as
Women's
he
also-
give every day or every time.
No,
to
if
his
we
king
will
or his
talk about
queen
the Indian
to do
history,
anything
if
whatever
we
they
talk
want.
about the Indian history, I am talking about the Indian history. I don't think so.
Ma'am, only in British period we can
Not-
say that there is
No,
patriarchal
no,
society
no.
because in British or we can say that in outside the India there is a culture patriarchal
Yes.
society.
Yes.
You know, in British or we can say that outside the India there
Of
is a
course.
culture that the man is greater than woman.
Yes.
But in India there is nothing, never.
All
But
are
If
equal.
you talk
As
about
well as-
Society come.
As well as in our Vedas, there is written that the woman has the power to
No,
born
in
the
our
baby.
Vedas also-
That's why they are superior to us. But the
Our
society
Vedas are
is
written
not
in
saying this.
2000,
But
3000 year ago,
our
and there is
society,
also
our
a
society,
fact that
especially
women
girls,
and
are not
girls are
getting
equal.
that.
Understanding what are you saying? You both
Like especially in our Vedas, there is a mention is that the girls are superior to us.
Yes.
But our girl society is not accepting that. Why they are getting the reservation? Like why they are getting the reservation? If we are
Because
talking
in
about the
British
equality.
time, because in British time, every Britisher suppress the girls.
Yeah,
That's
in
why. Or
British period
you
only.
can speak
No, in
little bit loud.
Loud?
Little bit loud.
Little bit louder. You are speaking
No,
little
it's
bit
already
louder.
bit okay.
So that's
Don't
why.
take it.
It's the mahal of.
Ma'am, you know.
It's okay.
Ma'am, you know, if we talk about our Vedas or our, we can say that our holy books,
Yes.
there is also written that we can,
So you can
say
tell
that
that there is
woman as a
reservation.
goddess.
You can say there is reservation.
No, we cannot
Girls
say
need
that.
reservation.
But nowadays, why reservation?
Why? Because they are still the things are going on. They are feeling that they are getting suppressed and they are getting emotional.
No.
There's the mentality of the girls.
Mentality of society.
There's a mentality of the
mentality
girls
of
that
society,
they are
not
thinking
girls.
that they are scheduled caste or like separate class of the society.
Why the boys are taking reservation in SC and SC caste? Why boys are taking reservation?
Reservation is only of caste, not for boys. Only girls also have reservation. It's not boys. It's only caste reservation.
Boys also have.
It's only reservation on caste, not boys and girls. But women reservation is only for women. Why?
have the special section that
It's not a mentality of girls. This is the mentality of society, I
Mentality
think.
of girls. Okay.
It is
The
Like
society.
okay. If we are taking the example that like I used to run and I will like I think that I will run 3 kilometer. It's our mentality that I will get like down after 3 kilometer. If I think the large one, if I taking the large one, like if I run 10 kilometer, then I will like I will not fatigue after 3 kilometer. That's the mentality of the girls. Like if they are thinking about the small things, then the bigger things they think that it is a mountain for us.
They are
They
doing.
never doing. They doing.
But according to according to us,
this is our
we are not
physical aspect.
thinking the small problem as a problem.
No,
We
this
are
is
thinking
not
it is a
problem.
part
You
of a
can't
life.
Understand that problem. We have different physical aspects also. So this is a different.
We are not
topic.
talking about the physically. We are mentally
You are
talking. We are talking about mentally.
You are talking about the physical activities. If you are talking about the physical activities, so this is a different topic that girls have different physical aspects and boys have different. Okay.
I agree this point.
I am not agree. Like if I move anywhere, I don't see the girls as
Girls are
as
moving
for that I
everywhere.
which
And
are
in
you
any
talking
sports,
about.
they are also where they have the excuse that we don't
And-
have the physical stamina. They are doing in sports as well as boys is doing.
So why are you not saying that the girls and boys are same? Why are you saying
How
that
can
girls
you
are
say that
superior?
girls and boys are same?
We are talking about the power. The girls have more feeling more powerful than boys. We are talking about that. That they are multitasking. They are have.
You are saying in the against.
skills.
Boys also multitasking. You know?
No.
No, boys only do single thing.
I would like to say on it. Why
Some.
boys is-
I
Boys
I
handle
Some
everything.
percentage.
I
But
have
they
you
are
ever
not
seen the
doing. But they are
CID?
not doing.
Have you ever seen the CID?
They are not doing.
Have you ever seen the
This is
CID?
This is the serial topic. And
I
this is
am
not
like-
factual things.
I-
This is not factual.
Firstly, say yes or no. Only say the yes or no.
No, I
Why
don't
girls
like.
are more
I don't like.
One of the spectre of that, like Vivek, and he in his real life, he's a professor, and he do I think 20 to 30 degrees in an institute of time.
But the girls
In
is
within
good
the 4
manager.
to 5 years.
In company also, the girls become
I
a
don't
good
know
manager,
about the
finance manager. They can manage everything very better way, and they make decisions quickly and very smoothly for the companies also. They can manage compared to boys.
So why are you not telling about your investment if I give you 10 crore rupees? If you are that too much manager.
So you don't
How can you say girls
how
are
can you
investing?
say that I am not investing?
That is the quick responding technique is also reflecting that. If you are like if I give you situation suddenly, so how will you react that?
So how you can say that she is
You
not managing
surpass
You
the
that.
don't give me
You-
time.
Just
So
wait.
just give me 5 minutes so that I can think and give your
Everyone-
Ma'am, I give
everyone
an
can answer in the
example
5
this
minutes.
so that women think if something happening
Okay.
that
If you are
it's
saying
only
that
for herself.
you are that too much
You know,
manager.
there is a case
Okay.
happen in last 2 or 3 years ago. There is a single, we can say that a simple man and a woman, husband and wife.
Okay.
Husband do hard work and make a responsibility to give the education to his wife,
Okay.
and the wife become a government officer.
Yes.
Okay.
And after that they divorce.
Okay.
Then what do you
This
think
is
about
only-
that?
This is only 2-3%.
Ma'am, I don't
Most
talk
of-
about only 2-3. I only talk about the ideology of women.
No, this is only a single woman idea.
If you are, if we
Ma'am, there is
like,
lots of case.
not go in the that too much far. Not
Also a running case.
How many divorce cases increasing? How many?
okay.
Ma'am,
the data.
if I
How
talk
many?
about report, there is 60% case was filed by the woman.
Yes.
I am not talking about 60%
In 100%.
filed by the women. I am talking about how many families
Percent
are
is increasing.
How many families are running? Only 10%
If
of
we-
divorce cases.
Ma'am, there is a 140 crore people. If you talk
Like you
about
give me a
10%,
situation,
there
I will
is
give you a
Yes,
situation.
they are not
Then you
10%.
answer me that thing. Like
I think Mansfield
If you
is
face-
very superior in many fields.
Why
No,
not?
no, where only 10% cases
And
are
nowadays,
increasing,
this
that's the-
culture is going on.
Like-
Men and women are considered as similar, but women think that we are suppressed.
Yes, that's an
That's
imperative.
the reason, major
Because
point.
This
if
is
we are
the
talking
not-
about
this is
the
not
We are
reason.
suppressed.
if we are talking about the two of case of the women's, like you are saying that the women's are the whomly suppressed,
you are
whomly
pointing out-
criticized.
You are pointing out only 2 cases or 3 cases. We are talking
If
about
okay, if there is 2 case, then it will become the 100 or 1,000 case definitely.
if we are talking about society,
Everything
society
is become by the
suppress
drop by drop.
Always.
Ma'am, nowadays the thinking of the
Atul Bharti case.
inner mind of the woman
This is
that
the
we are
thinking
suppressed.
only urban area, not a.
If we are talking about the Atul Bharti case, Atul Bharti case, he wrote 40 paper of the suicide case. So suicide
You are
note.
just-
Even that, the girl who is verdict, he is like he is moving freely. Instead of that, if we are talking about the Art Medical College, the verdicts are hanged out.
Yes.
Why the